Paula Scher said, "It's through mistakes that you actually can grow. You have to get bad in order to get good." This quote really guided me through my learning this semester. I had the opportunity to design with programs I was unfamiliar with and learn and grow throughout this class. You are looking at the culmination of my work. For this portfolio, I wanted it to be simple and professional looking. I decided to let my projects do the speaking and let the design of the portfolio simply fade away into the background. These projects have taught me a lot about design this semester in visual media. I would like to mention three in particularly that I really enjoyed. The first is the photo montage. Before this semester, I was only briefly introduced to Photoshop. This project taught me the basics and allowed me to create a beautiful design, and it had me put a lot of effort into it. It also taught me that Photoshop is an extremely powerful program, one that I would really like to learn more about. The second is that I really loved working on the logos. I think this one is my favorite because I actually got to work with a business owner and design it according to their needs. I was able to present her multiple designs and explain the work and the reasoning behind it. And then I was able to adjust and adapt based on her own needs. I am happy to report that the owner decided to use the top logo in her business and is using it now. The third thing that I want to mention is the letterhead and the business cards. I thought this really helped to teach me how to tie things together. Even though they were completely different pieces, I had to figure out how to make them work as one. And this was extremely helpful because a lot of times I'm going to be learning how to brand things in the future. As for the other projects I worked on, they taught me as well. They will be able to help me in my studies at the university and later on in my career after I graduate. My hope is to use everything that I've learned in this visual media class to help me as I strive to design and develop websites in the future. But most of all, this semester has taught me to keep on going, to keep on working, and to keep on improving, because it is only through making mistakes and then learning and adapting that I will be able to get the skills that I need and adapt to those.